Hello everyone, it's Grizz. I'm in the garage and today I've got some great news. Cue the intro. Hiya guys, no I've not gone crazy. Well, I've always been crazy, but anyway, the good news is that Taffy has got another job to go to. Once she gets made redundant, she's got another job to go to. So that is just epic news. We're just super happy and relieved for her and for us. So that's a weight off our shoulders. The other bit of great news is that Grizz has also got a new job. I've been working for the same company for the last 10 years. Things have been up in the air for too long. A lot of uncertainty and changes and threats and all kinds of stuff. And some very, very lovely, beautiful person approached me and said, would you like to come work for us? And I said yes, and I've handed in my notice like today, or was it even yesterday afternoon, but in effect kind of today. So, in a couple of weeks, Grizz is starting a new job. Taffy's got another month at her place of work, and then she will be starting at her new place. So, all of our woes and concerns about money has pretty much kind of disappeared, I think. I think we're in a good place. So, it has changed things in the garage. Talking of change, I sold the car. I might have had some money in my pocket and seen something that I've been wanting for like 10 years. Let me show you. Let's have a look. Let me show you what I've bought now. First of all, let's also just talk a bit about the 916. 916 Taffy's bike, Hayabusa. Oh yeah, BMW, and there's something else here. I'm going to show you it in a sec. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, but that's Taffy's bikes, that doesn't really count. 5 bikes is too many. Now, going back to my original kind of conversation, it's too many bikes, I need to downsize. Well, with the present job situation, I feel things are quite secure, and I'm strongly tempted to keep the 916 and sell the Hayabusa. Obviously, Taffy's bike's not going anywhere, and I will get on and work and get this bad boy finished. This is definitely going to get done. Someone approached me the other day to ask if they could buy it off me. It's not for sale. I'm going to complete it. It's going to get built. Right, so BMW staying, Hayabusa's going. Taffy's bike is never going unless she wants to sell it and get a different bike at any point. 916 is also staying. Now, let's get the drum roll. Are you ready for this, guys? This is really came out of the blue and I couldn't say no. I had to buy it. I've been wanting this bike for just way too long. It's my old bike. It's the Punisher. It's the bike I built. There's a lot of story behind this, but I built this bike 10 years ago, and at the time Grizz was married to someone else. I know, I've had 2 marriages. I'm never doing it again though. I'm stuck with Taffy now for life. But anyway, my ex-wife insisted I sold it directly after finishing building it. It was a messed up period in my life, and I sold it and regretted it ever since. I've had like 2 attempts at trying to buy it back, and when it came up this time, I was like, forget this, I'm buying it, I'm having it. And lucky enough, I had enough funds because I just sold the car. So I scraped some money together and got it. I also had to put the drone in as part of the trade. But anyway, we've got it. Punisher is back. This is, I'll tell you what it is. Oh, and get the knock on the wall to tell me my tea's ready. So I'm gonna have to make this quick. Right, this is it was originally a CBR a 1994 CBR 900. I basically, the only original parts that are from that bike are the frame and the engine. And what is there? All kinds of different stuff on there. It's got a GSX-R 1000 front forks. The front wheel was off an SV 1000. The brake discs are off a Hayabusa, along with 6-pot brake calipers. We're going back 10 years now, so you have to kind of remember there wasn't really radial brakes back then. What else have we got on here? That's not the original exhausts, I don't think, anyway, because when I had them on there they were ceramic coated, but is in pretty good condition. What else have we got here parts wise? Right, the big one here, the tank. This is a skin which I moulded onto the original tank. It's from Germany, a Street Fighter company. So is the seat as well. It's kind of SV inspired, not SV, sorry, MV inspired. But I'm going to change all these things. There's a lot of things I'm going to do to the bike. The rear wheel is a car wheel. With, at the moment, it's got a 190 tyre, but it will take a 210 tyre, maybe even more, maybe a 220 at a push, but I don't want to go too much on that. Yeah, what else? What else? I can't really remember what else now. It's a bit of a beast. It's a lot of fun, and I just have missed this bike now for like 10 years. Tried to buy it back twice, and I was unsuccessful. And I put in a cheeky offer to the seller, and he flipping took it. I can't believe my luck. So I'm super chuffed. All kinds of things on here. Carbon fibre bars. Clocks which are like broke. I need to fix that. Headlight is just disgusting. It's not even what I put on it. I originally had some twin beam projector lights which were off a Ducati 999. So with these things in mind, I've got some work to do. It just so happens I've already got projector lights which I bought for the BMW build. I've also got replacement speedo, which was again for the BMW build. Got some brackets here for getting the headlights on. I need to do, got a list here of things. I need to put some indicators on. I got to get an MOT on it basically. It needs some front indicators, a legal sized number plate and light for the number plate, which I've got from R&G, which is excellent. These seat pads are just too tacky for me. I can't be doing that. So they're going, and I'll put the original foam seat back on, which I'll make again. It's quick and easy. What else have we got? Yeah, the headlight, the clocks. The brakes need bleeding because they're not quite right at the moment. I'll check those out. Got the mini reservoir here. There was lots of things about this bike that has changed. It's not completely original. I don't like the gloss finish. It's just too much. This bike is just so blingy. You don't need a gloss black bodywork. So that will go back to a matte black. It's hard to see it properly in this light, but I'll give you, obviously you're going to see a lot more of it. What else needs doing? I'm going to adjust the clutch cable because it's slightly loose maybe. Not bad actually. Clean the chain up, etc. Yeah, it needs a bit of a clean. Back wheel needs a clean. I don't think it's seen a lot of cleaning. Adjust the suspension because it's super soft at the moment. Give it a service, and eventually we'll get to repainting it. Now that from the standpoint of like how much this bike has been used, I don't think it's been used much at all, because that is the same front tire on there I put on, and there's a few telltale signs I can tell that this bike hasn't been used much since I sold it back in 2010. Oh no, it was 2009 I sold it. So yeah, I'm just super chuffed. The exhaust is different, but it sounds sweet. Let's start it up a bit. Let's start it a sec. All right, look, I changed things, moved things around a bit here. Here's the choke, and here is the ignition. Can you see here? Ignition's on. All right. This is not fuel injected, guys. This is good old fashioned carbies. Will it start? I'm not. There's a little bit kind of got to be adjust the cable choke correctly, but it should start. Let's see. Anyway, that's enough of that. You get the idea. It needs a service. It is a little bit fluffy at the minute, but I'll give it a service. But I rode it shortly when I went to go buy it, and it's still, that engine is still so sweet. It sounds absolutely cracking, and I can't wait to, it's not MOT'd, so I've got to get MOT on it. I only had a real short test ride around the back roads. But yeah, going to give it a service. Going to get it all road legal, get a fresh MOT on it, and this bad boy will be Grizz's daily transport to my new job, which isn't too far away from home. Super exciting times, and can't wait to get the Punisher on the road. I've got to sell the Hayabusa, sadly. I am sad to see it go. I do love it. I do love the Hayabusa, but it's too many bikes, guys. This is just too much, and I need to downsize. And out of all of the bikes, as much as I love the Hayabusa, it's just, for me at the moment, too big. And I guess more than anything, I can't let the 916 go. And I also, no way am I ever going to get rid of the Punisher. This is here for good. It's never going. You'll have to grab it, tear it out of my dying hands, basically. And the BMW will get done, will get built, as I said. I'll probably sell it. I'll see how I feel when I'm done, but that might go up for sale by the time I'm finished. But at the moment, it's the Hayabusa going. So, hold on a sec. Yeah, it is great time, guys. I'm just like such a turnaround in such a short period of time. It's been like a week or two maybe, and Taffy and I have really turned this around. So I'm just super relieved, super happy. I'm kind of sad to be leaving my job. I've been working there for 10 years, but it's been a hard slog, and it's not so bad nowadays, but it's time to move on. I will miss working with my workmates, but it's time to move on, and yeah, onwards and upwards, as they say. So I hope you like the new garage. I hope you like the Punisher. I understand it's a Marmite bike. It's not really something that everyone likes. It was a bike built at the time. It was a very difficult time in my life, but it really did turn it around for me. It helped me recover from an illness I had for like 6 years. But I'll go into more of those things with you. We'll talk some more in depth on those things. Not that you probably really want to know, but you know, Grizzy always talks too much. Anyway, I better go because I'm going to get in trouble with Taffy. My tea is getting cold now. I don't mean cup of tea, I mean food. So yeah, super excited. Can't wait to get the Punisher on the road. It's just such a lovely bike to ride. I just love it because it's me. It's me, that bike. Just a massive chunk of me went into that bike. Blood, sweat and tears for like a year it took me to build that, and I was super sick. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up. 916 is staying. Punisher, stay in. BMW is going to get built. Taffy's bike is never going to go. But that Hayabusa, sadly, it'll be time to wave goodbye to it. I'm going to get that up probably on eBay and Auto Trader. I might put a link up. Maybe. We'll see. Have a look for it. You'll probably find it dead easy. Anyway, I better go. My tea's getting cold. Taffy's going to kill me. Much love to you all. Thanks for watching, and thank you as well to everyone that has been so supportive and helped us with offers of jobs and just support, just being there for us. Yeah, you're all absolutely fantastic, and both Taffy and I are super appreciative and thankful. So we'll catch you on the next one. Maybe on the next one we're going to do some work on the Punisher and get it ready for its MOT. Get out on the road. Right, I'm going to go. Much love. Bye all. Take care.